Hi guys, welcome. Welcome to A Creative Life with Kris Hunter and Totally Dazzled. Today we are doing a Totally Dazzled blinged out Halloween decoration. We need to get into this. This wood kit, this is from the A Creative Life with Kris Hunter. This is the Kris Hunter inspired collection at the Rust Covered Cottage. It comes with all the extra pieces to make it 3D embellished. And we are going to fancy this boot up today. This piece goes over this amazing overlay that is etched with the laser. Who likes the purples and greens together for Halloween? I pulled these out. I love the purples and greens for Halloween. So I'm going to give this a little layer of, this is a light olive green. It doesn't look olive at all to me, so we're going to use this green, and we're going to use it kind of as a stain. Okay, so we're going to turn this water not into wine. We're not turning anything into wine. We're going to turn this water into a stain. So in doing this, we'll be able to get this color in there, but it looks more like a stain. And then we're going to be able to see the cobwebs, which is what I want. We used every bit of that, and now we have a great stained boot. Look how easy that was, you guys. See how easy that was? I think I want to do black on the outline. So we're going to do a black stain on the outline of that. We're going to do the same thing that we did prior. Okay. Yeah, this color shift is a lot of fun. Look at it. You can see how iridescent it is. I want to get enough of the color shift on it that it's going to be gorgeous. Okay, so this is the color shift on it. Now we're going to stain around our pieces. Okay, so literally we're going to put a dab of paint in there. I just want it to stain it. And like that. Here's this. I feel like the cobwebs need to be black. They need to be black. Almost to the embellishing part, which is the most fun part. I'm going to let this dry before I set it on top of that. We are going to paint our little pieces. And when we paint little pieces on a kit like this, we've got stars, we've got bows, and we have the flower. Now I have this metallic purple that I think I want to use. Look at this gorgeous metallic purple. It's a Posh chalk paste. You can use it for paints. You can put it into a paint consistency. I'm going to take a little bit of this paste out of here. your water. All right, that's good. We're going to use Classic Gold, just a metallic craft paint by Anita's. Now we're going to do our flowers. I think I want to do like a hot pink with the flowers. I like those a lot. But we have lots of embellishments, so let's get down to it. We're going to set that to the side. This, get this glued down. I use Stick Fast. I just put, here it is. I use Stick Fast. Remember that, Stick Fast. Just like this, it's darling. I want to make sure all my edges. I'm going to put our flowers down. Are y'all ready to bling? Okay, so this is what we've got, you guys. But let's look at my bows real quick. Okay, I don't care that these are 3 different metals. Doesn't bother me a bit. They are perfect. You guys. Or that spider on there. Okay, let's do this. This is gold. This is a Nouveau drop. It is pearlized with a little shimmer in it. We're going to use this. We're going to use these Nouveau drops. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I just happen to have some stickles left over. So we're going to stickle. If it bloops, blobs at me, I'm going to be so mad at the stickles. I want these big shimmers. These are going to look like, these are the 30, guys. Did you know that they have 30 now? No, those are the 20. That's the old one. But they do have 30 now. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to use the shimmer stones. And we use the applicator because it's the best thing in the world, you guys. I'm going to put one stone in the center of each one for right now. That's how I'm starting. And over here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know I haven't talked to you guys. Okay, we have these 2 things that I really want to do. Something with Totally Dazzled on them. What do you guys think of this pom-pom on it? And it'll look like the spider. Or. Hold on, let's look at a green one. Did one of my stones go? I mean, let's look at a gold one. Oh, I think I kind of like the gold. What if? I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. I love that. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to glue this down. We need to glue this pom-pom down. Have this little baby that's in my collection. Okay, we're going to leave her there for 1 second. And now we're going to look at our hands. I do have some big hands. It's not her I worry about, you know, and I'm not worried. She'll be fine. She drives there all the time. Okay, so there's that. Then I want a spider here. So we're going to decide what spider we want there. I want a gold spider. Where's a gold spider? Here's a gold spider. And it's a Beautimus one. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this today. Thank you so much for joining me.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.